Yummy.
What the heck is this?
Oh, it matches you.
How's it taste?
So, Jess is getting a bag, and somehow now I am.
Just getting
A board. A board. Package deal. So Jess is getting this.
She's vlogging.
Go snowboarding once.
I think I went like 4 times already. It's raining a little.
Yeah. Oh, I missed him. Where is he? Where is he? Wait, this isn't like an emergency, right? Okay, Santa was definitely in another development. He was not in our neighborhood. I keep forgetting to edit. Ah! Honestly, last night I was clowning Nate and Sean for like actually looking stuff and buying things for like skiing and snowboarding. Now here I am today. And I got one. Pause so I don't get that copyright. Am I right? Do you want me to hold it?
Right here.
Yeah, like. Wow, yours is 20, not even 21. Wow, Jess is only 22 and a half. Because she got a big head. I mean, a little bit. Just like.
You're 21.
It's always interesting to me because I always make my thumbnails now, but how they auto-generate stuff. Oh, it's slow. Oh my gosh. Hi! Oh my gosh, is there Santa? Cute. I want him to give me the peace sign. Jess is definitely trying to sleep for work. Hey Santa! Hi! Thank you! So the gym closed early, so I didn't get to do like a full-on workout. And so I want to do an at-home workout, but also I'm really tired. I realized I have to go out to Target. But I also want to go to my mom's friend's house because they have food. The Sims is on sale and I wanted to go so I could get it, but the sale ends today, so I guess I have to go out. But it doesn't close until 12.
I can't even tell if you can see me, but Chloe Ting's video.
I forgot to update, but I'm at my mom's friend's house, getting food, and my mom bought me olives.
I forgot that I'm trying to do Vlogmas. Char gave me a little drink since I gave her some food. But yeah. My Harry Styles shirt, yay! So, I don't think I showed you guys like what my house decorated looks like, but I'll show you a little house tour. Just my downstairs, and my mom loves decorating and she makes my dad do most of it, so. So I'm not gonna show my outside because it's cold and it's dark outside, but when you walk in through the front door, this is what you see. It's better without the lights, without the light on. These lights move, will change, basically. But yeah, that's just a banister upstairs. Hi! We have this little Christmas tree. This is just what the front looks like. Forgot Char gave me some. Thank you. Second baby Christmas tree. I just have the lights off so you can see like the actual lights better. My mom just has this set up. Cute. My dad got this thing. I like how this looks. So we just have this cute. Oh, these are, I'm sorry, I'm really bad at this. Pillows. Pillows and Miley. Does this count as a Christmas tree? I'll count it. It's Christmas tree number 3. This is our fireplace. That's me. That's my brother. We don't have my sisters because 3 looked not cute, so we just put 2 and those just happened to be there. We have the Nutcracker, the good old Lolo clock, and that's Miley with the Christmas tree. Christmas tree number 5. This one actually has a topper, so that's cute. We have a little LV action over here. Yeah, that's it for like this front side of my house. And now we have another Christmas tree. Is it Christmas tree number 6? I keep losing count. Number 6. Why do we have so many Christmas trees? I don't know. Changes colors. These are all on automatic timers, so yeah. And then we just go on the living room. What's up? Anyways, this is what it looks like. Let me try and fix the brightness. It's cute, but like I just don't like that there's so much space at the bottom. My mom has this little setup going on, plus Miley on the end, and another Miley at the end, and a bunch of presents and stuff we need to wrap, honestly. Rudolph that I'll call Miley. There's no candle in it. A snow globe. There's Miley. Sorry that I don't have the lights on or like any flash, but that's my dog. That's my Miley. It's a candle, snowman, and yeah. These decorations have been there since I graduated, but yeah, they're cute. We have a bunch of Christmas cards. My mom got this today too. It's cute, a little wreath and then these lights. Just realized we have this cute little thing too. It's a Miley. Oops, completely random, but whatever. Anyways, guys, this is my vlog for today. Thank you for watching Vlogmas. Oh, I forgot I have this up there too. 1 second. Forgot I had this. It used to be lemons, but my mom put some ornaments in there. Ow! Oof. Anyways, thank you for watching Vlogmas Day 14. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.